I have had it since birth. And nystagmus is a condition that they expect will never go away.
Tjeu is 10 years old and has lived his whole life with nystagmus. This means his eyes move constantly without him being able to control it. As a result, he sees the world differently than most people. His mother still recalls the day they were given the diagnosis like it was yesterday.
Our little one has nystagmus, and we noticed it when he was 6 weeks old. He really had wobbly eyes, he couldn't focus. Then we went to the general practitioner and were referred to the eye hospital in Rotterdam. Then he could be tested after 3 months. And then it was found that he is visually impaired, and that over the years it had to be determined what degree of visual impairment he has.
Nystagmus is not just about having poor vision. It also causes you to see things slightly more blurry. And that you actually, I don't know if you could already see it in my eyes, but my eyes tremble. And so indeed my vision shakes all day long.
Tjeu is spontaneous, very much himself. He doesn't care much about others. He was a bit excluded for a while, and he was really affected by that. Then he switched schools, and now it's going well. He's coming back to life completely.
In addition to switching schools, Tjeu recently got something new, the My Board Buddy, a tool that helps him follow lessons more easily.
The My Board Buddy works very well for Tjeu. He sees the teacher's digital board on his own screen. He can enlarge it, bringing it closer. And he can change the contrast. That works very well for him. It is easier for him to concentrate with the My Board Buddy. He always had to sit at the front before. And then he still had to move closer to see well. Now he sits at the back of the class. And he can better isolate himself. And it really helps him.
Thanks to the My Board Buddy, I can now just press a button, and then I see only the board, and then nothing else. No surroundings or anything, children standing in front of it. I don't see them. Then I really see only the teacher's digital board. And that really helps me.
Installing the My Board Buddy is simple and user-friendly. Teachers only need basic ICT skills to set up the system.
The person who installs it also explains well to the teacher how it works, what functions it has. And eventually it becomes automatic. You can link what you want to see from the digital board yourself. And he can enlarge it himself and change the contrast. So it's nice for the teacher.
I just find the whole My Board Buddy amazing because it really helps me so very well.
Yes, the My Board Buddy helps Tjeu a lot to accept that he is visually impaired. He benefits greatly from it and can keep up better in class and with the lessons. I think he is now less shy, that he is more confident.
Yes, I can definitely see more things better, much better. And then that also helps me so that I don't have to keep thinking, I have poor vision, I am blind. No, it actually gives the idea that I can see just like other children.
Want to know more about the My Board Buddy? Get in touch with us today.